The Seagull Inside You by Artis tells the story of being different, being rejected by everyone because you don't suit anymore, because you have different dreams, different way of seeing the world. Acceptance of who you are and following your dreams. Finding others who support you, from whom you can learn, somebody who understands you and believes in you. Finding your place and freedom. Mastering your skills and reaching your goals. The place where you can be yourself. It also shows us that life's true purpose is not just technical perfection, but also love and helping others. Spreading your new knowledge to those who wish to learn.